Hey, this is Haitian. Haitian girl.
We're going to sing a song in Haitian Creole. For that, I'm going to read the English translation for you. On January 1st, 1804, Jean-Jacques Dessalines, an African-born ex-slave, could declare Haiti independent. It was the first black republic in the world and the first country in the Western Hemisphere to abolish slavery completely. The title of the song we're gonna sing is My Flag. The author of this song is Bello, an Haitian artist. This song has described how important is the Haitian flag for Haitian people. This flag here is the color of our blood that has been shed for liberty. My black skin they could not stand as if my soul was crushed and damned. My dear flag was not easy even though it exists today. My flag is a reminder for America and the world that Haitians did not agree with slavery on this planet. Thank you.
Hello guys, ça c'est Zamir, haïtienne, qui a représenté Haïti dans le programme
Yo joguei por viver e assistir um pastel no papier.
What